Hello. Whilst it won't be as stormy as it has been through the last day or so, we can expect more unsettled weather as we go into the weekend. The low that is Storm Ciarán, by the time that we get Friday into Saturday, will be well out in the North Sea, but another system is then approaching from the west, and this is going to bring some heavy rain and strong winds as we go through Saturday. So yes, rain spreading its way northeastwards across many parts of England and Wales through the day on Saturday. Further north, some mist and fog patches first thing, but these will clear through the morning. Otherwise, some drier weather, but also a scattering of showers, mainly towards coastal parts, but some heavier showery rain likely across the far north of Scotland too. As the rain pushes its way northwards across England and Wales, it is going to break up a little bit, and behind it, hefty showers coming into southern parts through the afternoon and into the evening. Temperatures in the south, well, they're near normal for the time of year, highs possibly around 14 or 15 Celsius, but with the cloud, the rain, the strong winds, it's going to feel colder than this, and further north it will be colder, some places struggling in single figures. We do have a rainfall warning in force for parts of the southeast because of those hefty showers, which could turn quite intense as we go through the evening, but we're only talking 20 to 30, possibly 40 millimetres, which isn't a huge amount of rain, but with it having been so wet recently, we are likely to see some further issues, some further flooding is possible, and more disruption to travel too. Looking through Saturday evening, and you can see those hefty showers across the south, which is why we have that warning out. Otherwise, a scattering of showers in some places, but for many, it will be quite a cloudy night. Some mist and fog patches perhaps developing as we go through the early hours of Sunday. Looking at the bigger picture, Saturday night into Sunday, and this is the low that brings the more unsettled weather on Saturday, but you can see it's nowhere near as intense. It's quite a flabby low compared to the one that was Storm Ciarán. That being said, it will still be a relatively unsettled day, but it clears out into the North Sea in time for Sunday. Yes, there may be a few showers skirting around immediate eastern coastal parts, but generally the worst of the showers will be towards the west. Here they're likely to be quite frequent, could be heavy at times, maybe some rumbles of thunder mixed in, but they are also going to gradually spread a little bit further eastwards as we go through the day, although immediate eastern parts most likely to stay drier and perhaps brighter too, with some decent sunshine across eastern parts of Scotland. Temperatures generally similar to Saturday, highs again around 14 or 15 Celsius in the south and a good few degrees colder than that further north, highs here around 9 or 10. Looking ahead to next week, and the showery theme continues as we go into Monday, showers continuing to come in from the west, so that's where they will be most frequent. But then into Tuesday, a band of more organised showery rain is likely to make its way from west to east, and some of that rain could be quite heavy at times, and then more unsettled weather is on the cards as we go through the middle part of the next week. So I'm expecting some further heavy rain and some more strong winds, which means we may need more warnings as we get nearer the time. You can keep up to date with the forecast by checking out our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Bye-bye.